I've got the bag here laid out, and it's actually, well, it's not numbered. It's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as you go down through the bag. And Downstar has a really great diagram to lay out all the different bolts you're going to pull out. So the very first one we're going to do is number 1, which are these 2 bolts here, which is going to be a 5 millimeter hex head, and it's going to be a 10 millimeter. These are your Fender bolts, and it's going to be matching on both sides. So I'll show one side at a time, but you're going to do both. The other thing I do is I only cut the bags open as I actually pull the bolts out. That way I don't mix and match anything or forget which ones go where. So number 1 are these 2 bolts here on the corner. So that's a 10 millimeter to take that out, and the 5 millimeter hex head to put the new bolts back in with your colored colors. So go ahead and get those done first. All right, so next up are the hood latch bolts, but you can only get to one of them without moving this plastic cover. So it's going to be the same on both sides. You've got plastic expanding rivets here, here, and here. You just pull up the center pin and pull those out, and then you can pull the whole rivet out, and then just feed this back and lay this back, and you can get to the bolts. 1, 2, 3. They look like T30s, and if they're not, I'll tell you otherwise. But go ahead and take 1, 2, 3, and take those out. All right, so that looks really good, and what I usually do, I will hand snug down these bolts just to make sure that they're in securely.